In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your cursor editor user settings by clearing the settings JSON file. If your editor is acting oddly after a configuration change, or you just want to get back to clean defaults, this quick process will help. We're going to open the user settings file directly in JSON form, clear out the custom entries, save, and then fully close the application so the defaults can take effect the next time you use it. I'll explain what each action does so you know exactly why it matters. Start by opening Cursor as you normally would. With the editor in front of you, bring up the command palette. On Windows or Linux, press Ctrl, Shift, and P together. On macOS, press Command, Shift, and P together. The command palette is a powerful search box that lets you run commands without digging through menus, so it's the quickest way to reach the settings file we need. In the palette, you type Open User Settings, JSON. When you see that exact option appear, select it. This opens your user-level settings JSON file, which is where your personalized preferences live. Think of it as a small override layer. Anything defined here takes precedence over the default settings that ship with Cursor. Inside the file, you'll see a pair of curly brackets, which mark the start and end of a JSON object. We're going to remove all of the content inside those brackets. Carefully select everything between the opening and closing braces and delete it, leaving the braces themselves in place. When the interior is empty, the file effectively contains an empty JSON object. That tells Cursor you don't have any user overrides, so it will fall back to the default behavior for every setting. Now save the file so the change is recorded. You can use the standard save shortcut, Control S on Windows or Linux, or Command S on macOS, or use your usual save method. After saving, close the Cursor application completely. Don't just minimize it or leave it running in the background. Fully quit the app so it can release any in-memory settings. This ensures that the next time you launch Cursor, it starts fresh and reads the defaults instead of any prior overrides. That's all there is to it. By clearing the settings, JSON content, and closing the app, you've reset your user configuration. When you open Cursor next time, it will behave as if no custom settings were applied, which is ideal for troubleshooting or returning to a clean slate.